All right, so let's get started with the chapter. How many are online?
I'm 20. I'm 23.
Yes, so remorseful and scared, he prays to God for monetary help. Monetary means related to money. He makes matters look normal but prays harder than ever. The inevitable happens, though somewhere along the way he notices the divide between the fanciful and the factual. This part I already read, I believe.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the next
And
month I would not. Ma'am, आप पीछे देखो. Ma'am, I would not. Be given next month.
okay,
Ma'am, नीचे
all
नीचे.
right.
Ma'am, I would neither have.
All right, till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. So, if I had known the scholarship money would be given next month, I would neither have eaten them nor fed them to the others. Now, you do one thing, just put 4 rupees in my bag. If there's a paisa more than 4 rupees, I will be very displeased with you. I promise. If I ever eat sweets with my feast money again, then let a thief's punishment be my punishment. So, Allah Mia, just this once, help me out. There is no shortage of anything in your treasury. Even our chaprasis takes a whole lot of money home every month. And Allah ji, after all, I am the nephew of a big officer. Won't you give me just 4 rupees? After the prayer, I offered namaz, recited 10 surats, Ayatul Kursi, Kalma Tayyib. In fact, everything, these are the different mantras. In fact, everything that I remembered. Then I blew over my bag saying, "Choo." Then, after saying Bismillah, I realized that what verses from the Holy Quran, Ayatul Kursi, title of a verse in the Holy Quran. Yeah, so yeah, I realized that what they said was only only true. No one can erase what fate has decreed. Means decided. Forget 4 rupees. There weren't even 4 paise in my bag. Just a few textbooks and notebooks, one pencil, one sharpener, one ID card my mamu had sent me last Eid. I felt like crying as loudly as I could. But then I remembered that school must have ended and the children must be on their way home. Tired and defeated, I got up, keep a track that all this is going on. That day he bunked the school and he's, like having this long prayers and things with himself at some place. He has not gone to school. So, ended the children must be on their way home, tired and defeated. I got up from there and walked to the bazaar and waited for the school bell to ring, so that when the children came out, I too would walk home with them as if I had come straight from school. I didn't even realize that I was standing near the jalebi wala's shop. Suddenly, the halwai called out, "Kya bhai? Shall I weigh a rupee's worth? Don't want jalebis today." I felt like saying, "I won't eat your jalebis today, but I would sure like to roast your liver and eat that instead." But I wasn't feeling too well that day, so I simply moved away. He ignored. The next day, I did the same thing. I got dressed and left home, went up to the school gate, and then turned off to the railway station. Under the same tree, I sat and began to say the same prayers. I repeatedly pleaded, "Allah Mia, at least give it to me today. Today is the second day." Then I said, "All right, come, let's play a game. I will go from here to that signal. You secretly place 4 rupees under this big rock." Look at the imagination of the child. This is the innocence. "I will touch the signal and come back. What fun it will be if I pick up the rock and find 4 rupees underneath." Ah, so are you ready? I'm going towards the signal. One, two, three. I went up to the signal and returned, smiling. But I could not find the courage to pick up the rock. What if the coins were not there? But then I thought, what if they were? Finally, after saying Bismillah, when I lifted up the rock, this big hairy worm got up and curling and twisting wriggled towards me. I screamed and ran away and once again touched the signal. Then, crawling on my hands and knees, I reached the tree. I tried my best not to let my eyes stray towards the rock, but as I picked up my bag and was about to leave, I had to look once again at the rock. And do you know what I saw there? I saw Mr. Worm coiled on it comfortably, staring at me. This is the little worm, if you can see in your books as well, right? I walked away thinking tomorrow I will do wazoo, wear clean clothes and come here. Wazoo is a process in which you like clean your body parts before offering namaz. Yes. So I'll keep reading the namaz. If even after that Allah doesn't give me 4 rupees, I will be forced to learn how to strike bargains or make deals with him. After all, if my Allah does not give me my 4 rupees, then who will? That day, when I returned home, apparently from school, and apparently from school means he did not go to school actually, but he had to show that he had come from school, and actually from the railway station, I was caught. The report of my absence had reached home. It's useless to relate what happened after that. Since it is written useless, so it is useless. Well, whatever happened, happened. But up to the seventh or eighth standard, I kept wondering if Allah Mia had sent me 4 rupees that day. What harm could it have possibly caused anyone? किसी का क्या बिगड़ता? It was only later that I came to the conclusion that if Allah Mia were to provide all for the asking, then man would even today be living in nests like vultures and crows and would not have learned the art of making jalebis. Ahmad Nadeem Kasmi, translated from the Urdu by Sufia Pathan. All right, so it is one of these stories from the collection of Sufia Pathan, right? And Ahmad Nadeem Kasmi has translated it, right? So that's how the story has come to a conclusion, and I believe that you have possibly understood the ending. What had happened in the ending? Did the child receive those 4 rupees from Allah Ta'ala? No, after repeatedly praying and asking and begging and pleading, why he did not get the money. Any answer from your end? Have you ever tried this trick? You have made good use of the received maybe 4,000 or 5,000 or 6,000 bucks that you were asked to pay in the office of school. Say if it happens someday. So you also start playing the role of the little boy, and you may also expect some magic from God's part, as God has plenty, and why can't he give you like that? Don't even try because things like this never happen, right? Because there's a big difference between facts and reality, you can imagine as many fancies as you can, but the facts remain same. So I think what have happened, what happened he has already written. So what could have been possibly the reaction of the parents? They might have got to know that he had not submitted the fee, right? And then they would have touched him so differently, in not so lovingly but differently, strangely, है ना? So I hope we can take the questions now. Is it clear to people who are online?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So please do not try this trick on a personal level. I would never advise, right? Because we have already seen that no goddess, God, or Allah even uh, does magic like that until and unless it's a fairy tale and you're lost in some wonderland, right? Or maybe in Hogwarts. So yes. So now take up the comprehension check part. Select and read sentences that show that the boy is tempted to eat jalebis. Can we have some portion from the text where it shows that the boy was totally tempted? Tempted means Two mosquitoes are talking back to back. Yeah, do not do that. Aditi and Kushi. Right? So, uh, can we refer back to the text that he's feeling guilty? The guilty part is quite visible. We can easily identify that he's justifying a wrong deed. Let's find out for the third that he's justifying a wrong deed. Right? Where is the text? You all are supposed to look for the text where he is justifying his act. Hmm. Even our chaprasi takes a whole lot of money home every month. And Allaji, after all, I'm the nephew of a big officer, right? Won't you give me just 4 rupees? This is how he's putting up, justifying that I belong to a good family, and even chaprasi also does. But no one gets a hold of him, so I can also be pardoned on this ground, right? One instance is this, and another instance can be he had justified and tried to strike and tried to please and persuade God through different ways, hasn't he? If I had known the scholarship money would be given next month, I would neither have eaten them nor fed to the others. Now you do one thing. And the one instance where he can be seen saying that I have not eaten alone, I have distributed to others also, right? So there can be so many other episodes where we can see that he is justifying his wrong deed. All right, so I believe you people can do the question and answers. Have I already sent the? All right.
Jalebi.
Jalebi.
No, but the question answers of jalebi. I don't.
Okay, fine. So I think this is a closure, and we can take up some other text, right? So that's all for today.